G'day folks, Skypilot here, welcome to my channel. Yes, the surf's up, it's a bit windy, but I've cracked open the Flywoo Explorer LR analog version, a 50 milliamp on top there, and I'm just going to see exactly how far I go with my VTX. In the past I know the TBS Crossfire radio receiver will go for miles, however I am hampered by my VTX. Most I've got out of this analog VTX is around 500 meters, so I'm going to test it out down the beach here, but there's pretty much zero interference, so I think what we see here today is the best you're going to get. Hopefully I don't end up as shark bait. Let's get cracking. Just need to hunt for some satellites. Always make sure you've got at least 5 satellites, guys, before you take off, otherwise your GPS function, if you've set it that way in Betaflight, will not work. Sitting on 3, 41 degrees. Come on satellites, we're losing battery power. Okay, 6 satellites, off we go. And it is a little bit windy here, guys, absolutely. I shall face, well, here comes a car. Let's make sure we stay above that car. See if our GPS is working correctly. Just zip along after this car here. And the car is going fairly fast, so I'm not going to be able to catch it. Okay, let's go straight into our nice cautious range test and see how far our VTX will carry. So there's 188 meters so far, and we're starting to break up. Okay, 218, no, let's turn around. Normally when you get a little bit of static like that, guys, it's time to turn around. Sorry, I was reading the wrong thing there. That was more like, oh no, it was 200 and, oh yeah, it's okay. I'll do that again shortly. See if we can follow this car here. Do I want to land in the sand, or do I want to land in the scrub? Oh, there's another car there. There you go. So we're 217, 225. As I said, I've got nearly 400 meters before my VTX dropped out. So for some reason I'm only sporting up to around 300 now. I could push it a little bit, see what happens. Maybe with a bit more altitude. I am facing the quad. It's starting to break up now at around 400. Still pretty decent, guys, so I'm not going to push it much past the 400 meter mark. Ah, bother it, why not? I'm all the way down here. Let's get going. I think I'm going to beat my old record of 500 meters. Starting to break up a bit. Okay, 501. Let's get to 511. Okay, let's spin around, guys. Half a kilometer. Analog VTX, pretty decent. Okay, let's shoot back now, guys. Pretty cool. 50 kilometers an hour into a bit of a headwind. I do have a 4S 850 on the roof there. Should give us a little bit of power. A little bit of flight time, so that'll be decent. Let's see how accurate the GPS is. 140, 120 meters to home, 117, start to slide down. I should be somewhere around here. Looks like me over there. 50, 40, excellent. Nice, guys. Okay. Any cars? Oh, there's a car. Okay. Hello, car. go out to the ocean, shall we? Now that we know that we are all safe to go at a bit of distance. I hate flying above water, guys, so I don't know about you, but I find that very scary. Don't know why. I suppose if you crash it, you've lost it, haven't you? It's just going to be in the drink. Go for a bit of an aerial shot. Pretty decent area this is, lovely. A little bit windy. Still a nice part of the world. Okay, I've completely lost where I am, so let's rely on the GPS and the arrow to find me again. Oh, lovely. I love that GPS, guys. There we are. Check out the links, guys, below for this cool little unit. Got a bit sketchy there because I went above the sand dunes. I completely lost VTX. It's getting really windy now, folks, so I am going to just fly with a bit of caution now. Those cars are looking at me. I don't actually know where I am. 4 meters away. Oh, I can just hear them, so they must be just passing me now. A lot of fun, guys, with Flywoo. I've done a couple of reviews of this, folks, and yeah, it's pretty decent. It's a decent unit. There's another car. The cars up here today in the dunes, having a mess around. Nice day for it. A bit of interference there. Really decent relying on that GPS to pinpoint where you actually are. Really cool. And there I am right there. Let's just cruise down here. With a speed run past this car. Sitting on here 50 k's an hour. Nice. Lovely blue ocean. Okay, I think we're getting low on power now. Might bring it home. Try and do a grab so we don't hit the sand. Good stuff. Okay, we'll let it now before we run out of power. There you go, folks, the Flywoo Explorer LR. 500 plus meters on analog VTX. Yeah, works a treat. Great fun. I'm gonna go dig up another battery. Thanks for stopping by, folks. See you next time. Scott Bollet. Catch you later. Bye for now.